Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? Bonjour, comment t'appelles-tu? Hello, what's your name? Es-tu déjà allé en France? Have you been to France? So yeah, people will be like, es-tu déjà allé en France? And then you can answer, no, it's my first time. So non, c'est ma première fois. Comment vas-tu? How are you? How you doing? Comment vas-tu? When you meet someone in the morning, you're like, hey, hi, how you doing? Hey, salut, comment vas-tu? Or, comment ça va? Usually when you're speaking with friends, it's comment ça va? So, hey, comment ça va? Ça va bien? Something like that. Aimes-tu la cuisine française? Do you like French food? Come on, everyone likes French food. It's the bestest in the world. So tell me in the comment if you like French food and what's your favorite French food, because we got plenty of it. My favorite French food is croissant. You can have them for breakfast. They are buttery and yummy and crunchy and everything. C'est quand votre anniversaire? When is your birthday? This one is quite polite, and if you want to use a less formal version, it would be c'est quand ton anniversaire. My birthday is, mon anniversaire est. Dun, dun, dun. D'où venez-vous? Where are you from? I'm from France! So, d'où venez-vous? Where are you from? Well, obviously I'm from France. Where are you from? Où as-tu appris le français? Where did you learn French? On FrenchPod101.com, that's what you are here. So if you are really good and speak French to people pretty easily, they will be like, oh, où as-tu appris le français? Where do you learn French? Tell them you watch Lia's video. Où habitez-vous? Where do you live? Where do you guys live? So yeah, if you are traveling to France, this will also be a question you will commonly be asked. So, où habitez-vous? I live in America. Où sont les toilettes? Where is the bathroom? This is an important sentence to know when you are going to a restaurant or wherever in the metro. Don't go to the toilet in the metro because first you have to pay for it, then it's super dirty. Toilette in French, it's a plural noun because you have to look for many toilets before finding one that's clean. That's what we say in French. So yeah, don't hesitate to ask, but maybe you will be surprised. Où sont les toilettes? Où travaillez-vous? Where do you work? Or, où travailles-tu? For the more casual version. Je travaille en tant que designer. I work as a designer. This is fancy to say, so just go with it. Yeah. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. If someone is blocking the way, you just say, excusez-moi. Qu'avez-vous dit? What did you say? Qu'avez-vous dit? Or you will often hear, pardon? Or, excuse me. Like, I'm sorry, like I didn't catch you. So, pardon, excusez-moi. Or, can you repeat? Pouvez-vous répéter? So if French people say that to you, just try and repeating what you said. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? I don't know. Show them something fancy for your own country and tell them. And they will ask, oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What's your phone number? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What's your phone number? This is a pickup line. Hey, ooh. What's your phone number? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Ah, yeah, maybe they will ask for your pseudo, which is your ID in any web messaging service. Es-tu célibataire? Are you single? And if you are traveling to France and happen to find love, maybe you will be asked, are you single? Es-tu célibataire? Or maybe the other sneaky way around. Est-ce que tu as un copain? Ou est-ce que tu as une copine? Do you have a boyfriend or do you have a girlfriend? So maybe you will find French love in France. Who knows? Mettre, to put. To put something on your head. Mettre quelque chose sur sa tête. Like a hat. To put your clothes on. Mettre ses vêtements. Savoir, to know. I know everything. Je sais tout. Remember, no one knows everything. Souvenez-vous, personne ne sait tout. Savoir in French is also knowledge. It's the same word. Passer, to pass. On lui passe un truc. To pass something on. Also work in sport. Pass, pass, pass. But I won't catch it. I did. Regarder, to watch. To watch a movie, regarder un film. To watch a match, regarder un match of whatever you want. Go Jinx! Go Jinx! Go Mundo! Go Red Team! Go Soccer Team! Go Mundo! Watching the news, regarder les nouvelles. Aimer, like. I like you. Aimer is also to love. So you can like someone or love someone, it will be the same. J'aime le chocolat. I like chocolate. There's a guys and I like. No one I see gives me butterfly. That's a South Park song, but I did it wrong. Vrai, real. Vrai, real. Or can also be true. Is that true? Est-ce que c'est vrai? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is that for real? C'est vrai? No. In French we'll be like, c'est pas vrai. Gentil. Nice. Gentil. Nice. I'm a nice person. Je suis une gentille personne. Bas. Low. Bas. Low. A low level. Un niveau bas. Gros. Big. Gros. Big. Un gros éléphant. A big elephant. Un gros gâteau. A big cake. Doux. Soft. Doux. Soft. Oh, fluffy! I like the word fluffy better. A soft towel, une serviette douce. When you just wash them and they're all fluffy and then you can put your face in it. I like to put my face in kitten and rub them like this because they're so fluffy. Les chatons, c'est doux. Kittens are soft. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Doux chaton, chaud chaton, gros. Petite boule de poil. Bye! French is not difficult. Le français n'est pas difficile.